Hey everyone, today's date is December 27, 2016. Quick update on GBPJPY, which is a video I shot last week. If you remember, you could go back and look at that, or go watch that video, I should say. We talked about the 147.50 level. Again, this is a weekly time frame. Okay, so we're looking at we went way far back, right? So I shot the video on this week, the week of the 12th, and followed by a really nice engulfing bar, candle, I should say, from 147.50, which is the level we talked about, to the low. It was about 400 pips. So let's look at it on the 1 hour time frame, just to get a better view. So at about 147.50 up here, down to the low is an easy 400 pips. All right. Now, even though I am still bearish on this, and I'll explain why, it's quite simple. On the weekly time frame, again, that's an engulfing candle. It engulfed the previous candle, so that's a bearish sign right there. Yeah, we're bouncing up now, but the only way my bias will change would be if this week's candle closes above this one. So as long as price stays inside of this candle, I mean, we could float back up and even retest that 147.50 or 147.37, somewhere in that area, the top of this candle. We could test the top of that candle, and then boom, we could sell off again. But like I said, no matter what, I am bearish on this now unless we close on a weekly candle above the engulfing candle. Okay, so now on the daily chart here, you could see nice sell-off, and looks like this thing's starting to get some legs. And you may be wondering why. Why is this bouncing here? And that's very simple. And I'll highlight that for you. See this little area here? All of this here, there's a lot of support there. There's a lot of buyers. Okay. It's about right there. It's not perfect, it's not exact, but you get the point. Somewhere right in there. You can see here, let's break this down for you guys. Here we hit that level, pulled back a little bit, shot up, came back, and you could see how it kind of stalls out here. Okay, that's how you identify support and resistance. Okay, kind of where it went sideways here, sideways. Yes, it went lower, went up, gap down, huge candle to the downside. But look where we closed. We closed above it, went up, came back down, and once again went sideways. That same level where we went sideways here. Now we're going sideways here. All right. And then we shoot up. We test that 147.50, going as high as 148.459, and we sold off. And now we're bouncing off of that level. Okay, so the next level, what's the next level to watch here? Because I am expecting this to go a little bit higher. Okay, real simple. One of my favorite tools to use, from high to low, right there. Because again, this is intraday. This is a 2 hour time frame, so we're going to pick significant highs to significant lows on the intraday time frame. Okay, why did I pick that high? Obviously that's the high. That's an easy one to spot. And why did I pick this low? Because that's where we are getting a lot of interest and a lot of buyers here. Little tail here, tail there, tail there, tail there, little one there, and we're starting to move up. And another thing that I'd like to point out is, look at the downtrend. The downtrend has been broken. Okay, intraday, the downtrend has been broken. Now, first level of resistance is at the 25%, 144.693 area. It's not exact. I don't have my snap tool on, but it's pretty close to that. Let's go there. So 144.693, around that area. You could see, where does that line up to? Well, that lines up to this previous low here. Okay, so there you go, right there. right there. Previous resistance, or excuse me, previous support becomes resistance. Okay. Now I think it could go a little higher myself personally. I think it could go up to the 382. But we'll just have to watch it. Okay. So first target, or first level of resistance here, coming up at the 144,693 area. Next level, I prefer this level 382. Who knows? This could go back all the way up and retest at the 618, but that's why it's important to watch these stocks, okay? Or currencies, excuse me. I'm in stock mode, okay? So there it is, 4-hour time frame. I hope that explains it pretty well. All right. So once we lose this level here, what's the next level to watch? Right here, 142 even. And in fact, I don't even like that level that much. I kind of like this level down here instead. So I like that level here. And then I think I like this level here. This is probably my target here. Okay, down here. That's where I want to see this currency pair go, all the way down there. Okay, so here's the daily chart. There is some more upside. This candle is engulfing this one. We have a couple of wicks here, 3 wicks, so a lot of support here. Okay, and that comes from this. Okay, so we'll see how this reacts to this level and the 382 level. Okay, so let's go back to the weekly chart. Weekly engulfing candle. There it is. I'm bearish. Let's look at a monthly time frame. Let's see what the monthly looks like. Really nice wick forming there for the month of December. So we have a couple more days for this candle to close. And yeah, that's what we're watching. Intraday, there it is, 10-minute. I like to use a 10-minute. This thing is catching a nice bid here. Okay, so it kept making higher lows and lower lows. There's a low, higher low, higher low, lower low here, higher low, lower low, lower low. But see, it started going sideways, started stalling, and now it's making new higher highs and higher lows. All right. All right, guys. Hope that video was somewhat educational for you guys. And I will be looking to be putting out some more educational content on my YouTube channel starting next year. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, comment, email me. Let me know what you think. And that's it. Thank you.